Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a collaborative playlist on Spotify in just a few simple steps. So, let's proceed. First, open your Spotify app. Alright, after that, tap your library at the bottom of the screen. Alright, then tap the plus icon on the upper right corner. You will see the playlist button. Tap on playlist. After that, name your playlist and tap create. Once your playlist is created, you can add any song you want. To make it collaborative, tap on the person icon with the plus sign. After that, you will see an option for sharing the playlist. You can choose how you want the link look like. So now you can invite friends to add songs to your playlist. Once your friends join, they can add songs to the playlist, making it fun and share music experience. And that's all. Now you know how to create a collaborative playlist on Spotify and enjoy a shared playlist with your friends. So, that's it.